Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing on engineering design. Let's get started. So today we are going to discuss related to engineering design concepts, how we design concept for manufacturing automobile spare parts. So here we start our slides. So engineering design. Welcome to this project presentation on engineering design. Whether you are a designer pro or a beginner, there is something here for you. The importance of engineering design. There will be a lot of stages we need to consider while doing a design. So problem solving, user centered, and economic impact and innovation. In problem solving, engineering design is a process of solving problems creatively. This skill is essential for tackling complex issues in manufacturing and construction. Like design, engineering design is a process of solving problems creatively. See, if you are doing something to manufacturing spare parts or some product as per the customer requirement, to manufacturing that product we need to make some equipments like fixtures, or after making fixtures for inspection purposes we make acceptance gauges and inspection gauges. So while designing the concepts, we should take care of all the uh, basic requirement as per the customer need. And user centered, engineering design prioritizes the needs of end user, leading to the creation of products that are functional, intuitive, and useful. In economic impact, successful engineering design can have significant economic impact, whether by saving money or manufacturing costs. Innovation, engineering design encourages innovation by pushing designers to think outside the box and find novel solutions to challenging problems. So here we go, engineering design process. So research of the problem means what is the requirement actually, for what purpose we are doing this design. Imagine, develop possible solutions. So it gives a lot of solutions. Test and evaluate prototype, improve, redesign and needed. Research and analysis. The first step of engineering design is to gather information and analyze data in order to identify the problem and generate solutions. Here it comes, whenever if you are working on a project, you should get proper data from end users, like machine bed size, which machine they are going to use, and the bed mounting sizes, etc. And conceptual design. During conceptual design, engineers brainstorm solutions and generate ideas, then evaluate them according to feasibility. Feasibility in the sense cost wise and safety wise and other criteria. And detailed design. During detailed design, the selected concept is refined and developed into detailed design, including materials, dimensions, and specifications. Means if we design any concept, for manufacturing that concept, we should give proper data to the manufacturers, like total detailing of the product spare parts.
Welcome to Rith Cart. Planning to gift something special to a dear ones? Visit our website. We make a premium quality customized printed products like coffee mugs, t-shirts, pillows, etc. Order now.
After manufacturing, prototype and testing. The design is prototyped and tested to see if it meets requirements and standards, with changes made as necessary. Here comes research and analysis phase. The first phase is data collection. Research and analysis begins by gathering data on the product or system in question, customer feedback and technical specifications like machine details and tooling details, problem identification. Analysis of the data is used to identify the problem or challenge that the design needs to solve. Requirements definition. Based on the identified problem and customer needs, specific behavior and performance requirements are defined for the new system or a product. Requirement definition, it means whenever we are making any concept, at the end we check all the assembly parameters, what are the basic needs of that fixture. Concept selection. Finally, multiple concept ideas are generated and evaluated based on the customer requirements and criteria for successful design. Conceptual design phase. Product requirement, idea generation and selection, preliminary design planning. The product requirements established in the research phase are used as the basis for generating potential design concepts that solve the problem. Idea generation and selection. Designers generate multiple possible solutions and evaluate and refine them according to various criteria such as technical feasibility, potential cost, and usability. Preliminary design planning. A preliminary design concept is developed, including the functional requirements and performance characteristics that the product needs to meet. Here comes the detailed design phase, where we give manufacturers the all data for manufacturing. The design analyzed in detail and any issues or difficulties are identified and addressed. Schematic and layout. The design is laid out in a detailed drawing including components, dimensions and any necessary calculations or schematics. Prototyping and testing phase. Prototype creation. A physical prototype is created for the design plans using appropriate materials and techniques. Testing and evaluation. The prototype is extensively tested to ensure that it meets design specifications with any necessary changes made. Manufacturing specifications. The testing phase of the development process finalizes the product design as well as its production testing plans and documentation. Implementation and maintenance phase. The design is implemented and the product is launched following all established production and testing standards. Maintenance. The product's performance is monitored and maintenance is performed when necessary to ensure the product remains effective and reliable. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos related to technology and engineering design, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.